Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of science and take a look at the top 10 most terrifying viruses escaped from laboratories. Let's go. 10. Marburg virus. This virus was first identified in 1967 after an outbreak in Marburg, Germany. It is a highly infectious and deadly virus, with a mortality rate of up to 90%. The virus is transmitted through contact with bodily fluids, and there is no specific treatment or vaccine for the disease. 9. Smallpox virus. Smallpox is an infectious disease caused by the variola virus. The virus was eradicated in 1980 after a successful global vaccination campaign. Scientists have continued to study the virus in laboratories for research purposes, and there is concern that the virus could be used as a bioweapon. 8. SARS-CoV-2. This virus needs no introduction, as it has affected the entire world since its emergence in late 2019. The virus causes COVID-19, a respiratory illness that has caused millions of deaths worldwide. The virus is highly contagious and is transmitted through respiratory droplets. 7. Anthrax. Anthrax is a bacterial disease caused by the bacterium Bacillus anthracis. The disease can be contracted through contact with infected animals or their products, or through inhalation of spores. In 2001, there was a bioterrorism attack in the United States involving the mailing of anthrax spores to several locations, causing multiple deaths and injuries. 6. Hantavirus. Hantavirus is a group of viruses that can cause hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, HPS, or hemorrhagic fever with renal syndrome, HFRS. The viruses are transmitted to humans through contact with the urine, droppings, or saliva of infected rodents. HPS is a severe respiratory illness with a mortality rate of up to 50%. 5. Poliovirus. Polio is a viral disease that can cause paralysis, and it was once a significant public health concern. Thanks to the development of the polio vaccine, the disease has been eradicated in many parts of the world. However, scientists continue to study the virus in laboratories for research purposes. 4. Ebola virus. As we mentioned earlier, the Ebola virus is a rare but deadly virus that causes Ebola virus disease. The virus is transmitted through contact with bodily fluids and can cause severe symptoms such as fever, vomiting, and bleeding. The virus has caused several outbreaks in Africa, with the largest outbreak occurring in West Africa in 2014 to 2016. 3. Influenza virus subtype H5N1. This virus, also known as the bird flu, is a highly infectious and deadly strain of the influenza virus. The virus is primarily found in birds but can be transmitted to humans through contact with infected. The mortality rate of H5N1 is estimated to be around 60%, making it one of the most deadly viruses known to man. 2. Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever virus, CCHFV, is a rare but dangerous virus that belongs to the family Benyaviridae. It is transmitted to humans through the bite of infected ticks, or through contact with the blood, bodily fluids, or tissues of infected animals, particularly livestock. The symptoms of CCHFV infection can vary from mild flu-like symptoms to a severe hemorrhagic fever, which can cause bleeding from the mouth, eyes, or nose, as well as internal bleeding, liver and kidney failure, and shock. The mortality rate for CCHFV can be as high as 30%. There is currently no specific treatment or vaccine for CCHFV, and the primary treatment is supportive care to manage the symptoms. 1. Machupo virus is a rare and dangerous virus that belongs to the family Arenaviridae. It is primarily found in Bolivia, where it is transmitted to humans through contact with the saliva, urine, or feces of infected rodents, particularly the Bolivian hemorrhagic fever virus, BHFV, infected Vesper mouse. The symptoms of Machupo virus infection can range from mild fever and muscle aches to severe hemorrhagic fever, which can cause bleeding from the gums, nose, or gastrointestinal tract, as well as kidney and liver failure. The mortality rate for Machupo virus can be as high as 30 to 40%, with death usually occurring within 2 weeks of symptom onset. There is no specific treatment or vaccine for Machupo virus infection, and the primary treatment is supportive care to manage the symptoms. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 most terrifying viruses created by scientists in a laboratory. We hope that this video has provided you with some valuable insights into these deadly viruses, their origins, and the potential risks associated with their creation in laboratories. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.